Now I want to get into A14, which is the object-oriented playlist. And in this particular assignment, if you go to module 14 inside the class, what you'll see is a lot of detail, okay? It has the challenge that's very specific. You need to create a class named song that holds title, year, and rating. Those are the properties for that class. The song's initialization method should accept arguments for title, year, and rating. You're going to create another class or object called playlist that stores the song objects and instances and has methods in that class for adding and removing songs to the playlist. Your final program should have a menu, should be menu driven, where the user chooses options where they can view songs, add a song, remove a song, and update the rating in a song. So the update rating in the song, we're going to use a setter class and a getter class for that, okay? So you have to figure out what menu structure can use those two objects to add songs, remove songs, and change the rating for a song, okay? And after each operation, the menu should prompt the user if they want to exit. So this is going to be a fully functional program, but using classes and objects.